Welcome back, my name is Amir and this is part 7 of Chess with React. In this part we are going to move the bishops around. So as you might know, in a chess game the bishops move diagonally. So for example in this situation my bishop can move all the way up to here and all the way up to here, and to here. So the logic is kind of like the queen, like the rook, with a small change, that is the direction. So let's go and implement that. In the get moves I would grab this and say it's get bishop moves, like so, and the direction is -1 and -1 1 -1 and 1 1, like so. And then for every direction it would just add and then return. I think this is about it. Let me go here as well and add it to here. So if it is a bishop, then get the bishop moves. And if I go here, refresh, and yes, it's working amazingly beautiful, and I can capture and do everything. Awesome. So yeah, thank you for watching. This was very short because all the functionality was written beforehand. So in the next video we will continue moving the remaining pieces, queen and the king.